In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server 2019 on VirtualBox, step by step. Whether you're a beginner or an IT enthusiast, this guide will make it super easy for you to set up a virtual environment on your PC. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First, you'll need the Windows Server 2019 ISO file. Here type to search download Windows Server 2019 and hit enter. Click to open this first link. I'll leave a link in the description below. Here choose your preferred language and the download will start up as soon as you press on it. When done, type to search VirtualBox. Click to open the first website. Choose to download your VirtualBox platform package and install it on your machine. I already have a video showing how you can do it. Check in the description below. Now, let's set up VirtualBox for your Windows Server 2019 installation. Follow these steps. Open VirtualBox. Click New to create a new virtual machine. Name your VM Windows Server 2019 and select the type as Microsoft Windows. Select version as Windows 2019, 64-bit. Allocate memory at least 2 GB is recommended for the installation, but 4 GB or more is better. Give cores like 2. Create a virtual hard disk. I'd recommend at least 50 GB of storage space for a smooth experience. Click Finish. Now click on Settings. Click on Display option. Please make sure it's in 128 MB for better performance. It's time to attach the Windows Server 2019 ISO file and tweak some settings. Click on Storage and under the controller. IDE section, select Empty. Click the disk icon and choose your downloaded Windows Server 2019 ISO file. Now click on OK. Now, start your virtual machine and let the installation begin. When the setup starts, select your preferred language, time format, and keyboard layout, then click Next. Click Install Now and choose the edition of Windows Server 2019 you'd like to install. Accept the license terms and choose Custom Installation. Select the virtual hard disk you created earlier and click Next to begin the installation. The process might take a while, so be patient. Once it's done, click on Do this later. Now set up your administrator account and password. Click on Finish. Wait for this to finish up the installation process. Done. Now on VirtualBox, press on Input option. Click on Keyboard, then insert Ctrl, Alt, plus Delete. Enter your password to open up your operating system. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Windows Server 2019 on VirtualBox. From here, you can start configuring roles and features, explore Active Directory or test server environments all within this virtual setup. Now to enable full screen, all what we have to do is click on Devices option. Now select Insert Guest Additional CD Images. Open File Explorer. Click to open this CD drive option. Click to install. Click on Next. Next. Then finally click on Install. Wait the process to complete. After that restart, click on Restart option for the effects to make changes. After that, click on Restart option for the effects to make changes. Okay, now click on View and then select Full Screen. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech tutorials like this one. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.